Hey, how are you doing, friends? Hope you're doing well. Me, I'm absolutely fine, because today is another crazy session with Pocket Robot, my favorite trading tool, what give me absolutely freedom in trading in life, and it's not an advertising, it's just a real life session. Let's make some profit, let me show you. Okie dokie, let's start the session. You just open your Telegram and find Pocket Robot. All the links in the pinned comment you will find. And you just start your automatic trading immediately. So the AI analyze the market and we see the best signal. It's bullish one, and we will start with small warning up. So how it's work? Super smart AI analyze all the indicators on this moment and find the best signal. And after this, of course, it will be minus as well, as you can see -5, but it's using Martingale and cover the losses and make a small profit. And both will trade before you will have your profit from this small session. So you can see how it's work. -11 is also fine. So here, be smart in your money management. Be careful with your amount of trading, because Martingale can go even to level 5, so be careful. But as my experience said, that this is the smart strategy, the smartest one. I used it before. I mean, I never finished the session in minus. Can you imagine? I mean, I will shoot all my sessions so you will see. So we will start with $10 now, with coin. And first and plus, second one +10, just give it back. And -10, it's okay. And 26.99. Boom, good profit. I mean, if I'm sitting next to my computer, like just stressing all this stuff. But here, I'm just chilling with you guys, talking with you. Okay, I see another signal, Cisco. Ooh, it's even stocks here, guys. You can trade with stocks like this. Even beginners can just trade like a pro as this bot. You know, it's game changer, guys. It's a real game changer. We're using all the technology, all the smart AI here, which analyze the market well, gave you signal, and use 100% profitable strategy of Martingale. And I don't know, I can't wait when they will do maybe new version. But for now, I'm super happy. Oof, guys, big risk. It was big risk. Anyway, let's go next. Let's move forward. And we see coin OTC. Let's do for $10. How is your trading going, by the way? Do you already try this tool? Or do you know something more about Martingale? If you want to know more about strategies and theory of trading, you can go to this channel. It's a lot of video. You can see how much I trade and create strategies and try different indicators, combo indicators. But in the same time, I'm here now with this bot and just chilling with you, speaking with you. I have time for more content now. I have time for more working for my hobbies. It's great. It's great. Just couple time a day. You can do more actually. Just mine your profit. Okay, I'm going with Cisco for $20. First in plus, second in minus, and another one in minus, and now +200. How about that? Another one. Another one. Yeah. That is bot caring about you, so you not go too much. Don't be crazy. Okay. Basically, to trade good, you just need to have strong fingers. Touch the buttons of this bot, you know. And all this moves bot will make for you. It's a great one. You can try with demo actually and see how it's working. Boom! Another profit. 140. Guys, what do you think? Another one? Another one? Let's do it. AI is analyzing the market. My favorite moment, Cisco again. Well, Cisco going bullish now. Bearish. Trade anyway. $20. Yeah, going risky. We're going risky. By the way, you can see how risky I trade. Digging, like, how much I trade risky trades, and $20 now, it's not a big one. Okay, plus 200, plus 3. Okay, minus 20, minus 46, amount is 105, minus, oof. Oh yeah, plus 101. So, guys, I hope you like this session. I hope you will be more active with your likes and comments, and share this channel with someone who you really like. And also, don't forget, I have a great Telegram channel. I trade there manually, I trade there with the bot. I mean, it's still tons of great information about trading and your financial discipline. Well, thank you for this session. See you in the next one.